In this episode, I will show you very practical ways to make money using just your phone while keeping your home. Trust me when I say that your phone can help you make money in many ways than you can imagine. You can sell things you no longer need, or use your skills on freelance platforms, answering surveys, selling photos, or offering virtual services. All right, and this can bring you lots of money, all from the comfort of your home. Hello, my name is Aneta, Elisha-Oladejo. Welcome back to another intuitive episode on this platform. I am a homemaker according to the tenets of scriptures in Titus chapter 2 verse 3 to 5. I take my homemaking ministry very seriously, and at the same time do my best to keep growing as a person as I watch my children grow as well. I'm the homemaker's personal growth coach and the blogger at Aneta, Elisha-Oladejo.com, a hub for great resources for homemakers with many free content alongside an array of courses, ebooks, worksheets, journals, and merch that every homemaker needs. Now, growth is constant, and I am particular about the homemaker maximizing every season of her life. That, to me, my friends, is the definition of success. Now, let's get into details and explore, the best 4 ways to make money from your phone. The first is to answer surveys. As a homemaker, you can easily earn money by answering surveys on your phone. Companies pay you to, give your opinion, basically, and you can do this whenever you have free time, such as, relaxing on the couch or even watching TV. Surveys consist of questions that companies ask to understand your preferences and habits. They might, inquire about the food you eat, the games you play, or even your shopping pattern. Now, by answering these questions, you can easily earn money, points, or even gift cards like Amazon gift cards as a reward for your time. It's a great way that many homemakers have been using to, make some money while still keeping the home. Now, some recommended companies would be Branded Surveys, American Consumer Option, Survey Junkie, Swagbox, Inbox Dollars, and Price Rebel. I'll be leaving the links to these websites in the description below. Now, whether it's while you're watching a video or during a lunch break or any other spare time, or the kids are taking a nap, or any other spare time, it's a flexible way to earn some extra cash as a homemaker. Now, number 2 way to use your phone is to earn money through your phone is to sell photos. Now, selling stock photos is a fun way for homemakers to generate passive income without actively working for it. Now, not all photographers need fancy cameras to start. Your phone can basically work perfectly, and newer smartphones, of course, take very great high quality photos. Your phone can take great pictures, and it doesn't have to be super expensive. Now, with stock photography, you can upload pictures that you've taken with your camera or your phone to a platform, say like Deposit Photos. Now, you can take pictures of your home, you can take pictures of the food you make, you can take pictures of whatever your home consists of, right, and upload them to platforms like that. And when someone buys any of those photos, you get a commission. Websites, companies, and blogs use stock photos for many reasons. Businesses use them to improve their content, websites, or overall appearance when they might not have the time to take all the photos that they need. And as a homemaker, you have a unique perspective and access to many photo opportunities that are in high demand. Here are some ideas that you could use, all right? Subjects that you basically would encounter daily. Number 1, travel and landscape. You want to capture the beauty of your local parks, gardens, or vacation spots. Another one is business and finance. You can snap photos of your home office setup, laptop, or just and you see a group of people working, you can do that. Another would be family. Take candid shots of your family activities, parents, your children playing, and things like that. Another would be household items. You can photograph your living room, your kitchen, or your home interiors. By leveraging your daily surroundings and routines, you can turn ordinary moments into a source of income. Selling stock photos is a practical and accessible way for homemakers to earn money while balancing out their household responsibilities. Now, number 3 way would be Just Answer. Now, Just Answer is a site where homemakers can make money using their phones to help others. If you have skills or knowledge in a particular area, you can answer questions that can can, earn cash. With Just Answer, you can make as high as $2,000 to about $7,000 a month as an expert answering questions online on your site. People ask questions and the site basically matches them with an expert who can answer. For example, someone might have questions about home remedies, nutritional advice, DIY crafts, and even decorative ideas. Now, as an expert, you will answer questions and give personalized help through text chat. There are experts in fields like mechanics, doctors, there are lawyers, and many more. Now, as a homemaker, you can leverage your expertise and work whenever you want from your computer or phone. Now, to get started, you would have to apply online on Just Answer. They'll verify your credentials because every expert on that platform is verified by a third party and needs to have licenses, education, or employment in that field of expertise. Once approved, you will have a quick meeting with the Just Answer team to learn how to use this platform. It takes about 1 week to become verified, and you can receive payments through PayPal or Venmo. I'll be leaving a link to Just Answer in the description below to get you started. Now, number 4 way is user testing. User testing is a way for us homemakers to earn money by trying out websites and apps. Companies will pay you for your honest thoughts and how easy they are to use. To participate in tests, you'll need a computer or a smartphone, an internet connection, and a microphone. Now, some tests may also require a webcam. When you test websites, you look out for things that are not working well or things that are confusing. Now, your feedback basically helps companies improve as they want real opinions, not just quick answers. So here's how it works. You want to sign up with user testing sites. I'm going to be leaving a link to that in the description, or if you're listening to that podcast, I'll be leaving a link on my website. Most of the test takes about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll record your screen and talk about what you're thinking because they're going to give you a task to do. After you're done, you send your feedback and then you get paid. You can earn about $10 per test. Payments are usually made through online services like PayPal. And there you have it. So I have just listed out about 4 ways that you can earn money using just your smartphone. As a homemaker, you can easily supplement your family income, right, with these very simple tasks while still holding on to your household responsibilities. You could give some of these ideas a try, and then if you want me to expand more on any one of them, you could please reach out to me via email, or if you're watching on YouTube, please just leave it in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you very much for watching the video. Thank you very much for watching all of my videos. If you're subscribed, I really do appreciate it. And then if you're listening on the podcast, please remember to also engage with it, share it so many others can come around to listening to them. Till then, remember to keep giving glory to God for all of the testimonies, whether little or large. And God, of course, will continue to show up for you. Let me know which of these ideas you'll be testing out. I really would love to hear from you. Thank you very much again for watching, or thank you for listening. If you are, I really do appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next one. Godspeed. Success, as we know it, is the compounded effect of the everyday steps we take towards a main goal. One of the things that gives peace and mental clarity while homemaking is putting the emptiness season clearly before our eyes. Taking baby steps at the moment while still on the journey of making and keeping the home towards that season is an important aspect of self-care most people overlook. It strengthens the intentionality that goes into making every moment you have right now count. My blog, Aneta, Elisha-Oladejo.com, helps young women navigate their homemaking season in view of the empty nest phase. From ebooks to short courses on time management for homemakers to parenting, finances, and building small businesses while at home, there is plenty to keep you learning and growing while you create the warm, loving space that your family needs to thrive. I am also a local SEO specialist dedicated to helping small businesses like yours stand out in your community. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, you can employ my services to amplify your online presence. With 7 years of experience in search engine optimization, I know the ins and the outs of getting your business noticed online. You can book a free consultation or free Google Business Profile Page audit on Aneta, Elisha-Oladejo.com to get started today.